Hello, and welcome to the first week of Clinical Inquiry 2. This week, you're only going to have one assignment due, and this assignment is a repeat of something similar that you did in Clinical Inquiry 1. The difference is that in Clinical Inquiry 1, you did it as a group. This time, you're going to do it independently. So I'd like to go to the Moodle page now and walk you through this week's assignment. Here we are on the Moodle page, and if you're watching this video, you've already navigated to tomorrow's date. And this is week 1. And going forward, you should always expect an instructional video to walk you through the week. And this week we have our instructional objectives. Okay. The goal for this week is to perform a literature search, and it's really the first step of performing a literature search, and this is identifying search terms. If you have any additional questions after going through this and need more information or a little bit more help, you're welcome to check out Chapter 2 of our textbook. And for this week, here are our objectives. Going back, you're watching this video, and the next thing I'd like you to do is watch this short video on identifying search terms. When we did this assignment in Clinical Inquiry 1 last fall, I actually walked you through PubMed and the process of identifying search terms. This is another video that goes through the same steps that I took you through in the fall. It's very straightforward, easy to watch. So please watch this for more information. And after you've watched that video, then please complete assignment number 1. Okay, pretty standard format for my assignments. In this first assignment, you're going to identify search terms for this clinical question. Okay, for a 65-year-old male with an ischemic stroke, is functional training or therapeutic exercise more effective for improving the patient's arm strength? Okay, using this clinical question, what I'd like you to do is identify terms in this question that you can use to search the literature. Okay, the process for identifying these terms, again, is in the video for this week. Okay, I'd like you to put any terms that you identify in this table. Okay, and I'd like at least 4 alternative words for each key term, and also 1 mesh term. If you remember, mesh is your medical subject heading, and again, identifying mesh terms is described in the video for this week. Okay, put them in this table, and here's the grading rubric. If you identify at least 4 alternative terms for every keyword, and you identify at least 1 mesh term for every keyword, you'll receive 100 on the assignment. Okay, going back up here to the beginning, I have linked you directly to either PubMed or the University of Lynchburg library site. If you remember, the advantage of going through the University of Lynchburg library site, and let's just go ahead and go there, is that you can access PubMed through this site, and you will have free access to any article that the library subscribes to. So here I went to databases. Now I'm looking for PubMed. Where's PubMed? There's PubMed. Okay, click on that. Say go. log in with my account, and this takes me to PubMed. But remember, this way of accessing PubMed will give you free access to any journal that the library subscribes to. Okay, so just a little bit of a review from Clinical Inquiry 1. Again, if there are any questions about this assignment, please feel free to email me. I'll get back to you as quickly as I possibly can. Realize it is 12 o'clock on Sunday. We're supposed to start tomorrow, which is June the 5th. Okay, but you're welcome to start today and get the assignment out of the way so it's not there or something you feel like you have to do during the week when you're in the clinic. This assignment is due on Saturday night by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, so you have a full week to complete this assignment. And again, if you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach out to me via email, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope everybody enjoys their first week in the clinic, and looking forward to a great semester. Bye-bye.